Hello guys, welcome to my channel. NFT are getting important part of metaverse. So here we are with Furry Friend NFT. Furry Friends NFTs. Furry Friends NFTs is a collection of 9,999 NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain for dog lovers with a philanthropic mission coming soon to the metaverse. Hidden within the collection are special edition superheroes, completely hand-drawn by our senior artist, which is deemed to be very rare. Roadmap: 15% minted. This project is for our community and it will be a community-driven project, where important decisions will be made by polling the community members. 20% minted. 200 NFTs will be reserved for the team. Team NFTs are locked up for 3 months, with 25% unlocking each month thereafter, to maintain impartial operations. 50% minted. Announced the second collection, with a preview and roadmap on our Discord server and website. 75% minted. Carbon neutral project. Furry Friends NFT project has a commitment to offset carbon emissions generated during the initial NFT sale. 100% minted. Within 1 week of minting 100% of Furry Friends, we will upload all the data to Rarity. They also given the answer to frequently asked question. What are NFTs? NFTs are tokens that we can use to represent ownership of unique items. What is the mint date? Whitelist mint date TBC. We will have a whitelist, pre-sale, and public sale. Whitelist mint will be kept open for 48 hours to allow buyers to purchase during low gas fees. How much it cost? In addition to the mint price, gas fees are applicable. OG and WL spots are open. More info on our Twitter and Discord. 200 will be reserved for the team and future giveaways. What will be the resolution of each NFT? The NFTs will be 4000 x 4000 pixels. The images on our website and social channels will be in a lower resolution. What will be the gas fee? Gas fees fluctuate and can be tracked on our Discord or other online websites. We are using a highly optimized ERC-721A contract that will lower gas fees. Here are the steps to buying your own Furry Friends NFTs. 1. Download and install MetaMask wallet via MetaMask.io on your browser. 2. Purchase Ethereum from various exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance. 3. Send Ethereum from this exchange to your MetaMask wallet. How can I get spot? Whitelist information is available on our Twitter. We also have an OG role with even more benefits. Join our Discord to learn more about how to get an OG role. Hey, race our team. Thanks for watching our video.